A very good morning to all. I am Garima Saryal, your EVS teacher, and today we are going to do a quick revision of our chapter number 9, that is Places of Worship and our Festivals. So I have told you that the worship word means showing respect to God by various prayers and singings. So there are so many religions in our country, and the people of different religion goes to different places of worship. Different places of worship means the places where people go to show respect to their gods. Okay. So there are so many religions like Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Christians. These are different religions in our country, and all religions, all the people of different religion have different places of worship to show respect to their gods. So first religion is Hindus. Hindus goes to temple. So the people of Hindu religion goes to temple. We all goes to a place where we can show respect to our gods. So same thing, the people of Hindu religion goes to temple for worship. So next is Muslims. So the people of Muslim religions goes to mosque. Muslims goes to mosque. In Hindi we call mosque masjid. So the people of Muslim religion goes to mosque, or we can say in masjid in Hindi, right? Next is Sikhs. So the people of Sikh religion goes to Gurudwara. Sikhs goes to Gurudwara for worship to show respect to their God. Next religion is Christians. So the people of Christian religion goes to church. Christians goes to church for worship. So in your unit test 3, question could be like, where does Hindus goes for worship? So the answer answer is temple. Hindus goes to temple for worship. Next question could be like, where does Muslims go for worship? And the answer is mosque, right? Muslims goes to mosque for worship or to show respect to their God. Next question could be like, where does Sikhs goes to worship? And the answer is Gurudwara. Or the question could be like, where does Christians goes to worship? Answer is church. Next question could be like, from the places of worship. Question could become from these. Question could be like, who goes to mosque? Then you have to know the answer. Who goes to mosque? Yes. Muslims goes to mosque, right? Next question could be like, who goes to church? You know that. Who goes to church? Christians, yes. Christians goes to church for worship, right? So, we know the places of worship here. Different people of different religion have different places of worship. Now we will know about the different festivals of different religion. There are so many festivals which are celebrated in our country India by the people of different religion. So like Diwali. Diwali is celebrated in Hindus. Eid is celebrated by the people of Muslim religion. Christmas is celebrated by the people of Christian religion. Guru Purb is celebrated by the people of Sikh religion. Students, now we know that there are so many places of worship, and the people of different religion goes to different places of worship to pray. But remember one thing, that there is only one God. We call him by different names, but there is only one God. And we should respect each and every religion. We should respect every religion. Okay. So now we will know about the festivals celebrated by the people of different religion. So first festival is Diwali and Holi. You all know that Diwali and Holi, right? So in Diwali, we light our homes, we decorate our homes, we exchange sweets, we wear new clothes, we burn crackers on Diwali. So Diwali is the festival of light. So on Diwali, we remember that God Ram returned Ayodhya after the 14 years of exile, right? So next festival is Holi. Both of these festivals are celebrated by Hindus. So Holi is the festival of colors. We apply gulal, we sprinkle water on our family and friends, and the special sweet we eat on this day, that is gujia. So the question could be like in your unit test 3 that why do we celebrate Diwali and how do we celebrate Diwali and Holi? Or the question could be like who celebrate Holi and Diwali? Of which people of which religion celebrate Holi and Diwali? Okay. Next festival is Guru Parv. So Guru Parv is celebrated by Sikh. Guru Parv is celebrated by the people of Sikh religion. It is celebrated as the birthday of the Sikh Gurus. Right. So on this day, various langars are organized on different places and served to all. And various kirtans are organized on Guru Parv. So the question could be like, who celebrate Guru Parv? Or the question could be like, by which religion Guru Parv is celebrated? Or the question could be like, what do we do on Guru Parv? Right. Next festival is Eid ul-Fitr. So Eid ul-Fitr is also called as Eid, and it is celebrated by the people of Muslim religion. On this day, sevaiyas are served to all. People hug each other, people greet each other and say Eid Mubarak. Right? They goes to mosque for prayers and they eat various dishes on this day. Various dishes they eat on this day. Right? So the question could be like from this, like who celebrate Eid, or from which religion, the people of which religion celebrate Eid ul-Fitr. Right? Next festival is Christmas. So Christmas is celebrated by Christians. Christmas is celebrated by the people of Christians. And it is celebrated as the birthday of their God, Jesus Christ. Every year on 25th December, we celebrate Christmas. So, question could be like, who celebrate Christmas, or by whom Christmas is celebrated? So, the answer is Christians celebrate Christmas, or Christmas is celebrated by the people of Christian religion. So students, these are some questions which could come in this chapter. I hope you understand. Get ready for your unit test 3. All the best. Thank you so much.